Oh my.
Yeah, this is a big box. This is also from them. Same people. So.
That's a big box. And what is that supposed to be?
A surprise for you.
What is it? Ooh, I like surprises in a box. Rims.
Rims covers? Real covers.
Whoa.
Why don't you unwrap that one? I don't know what they look like.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, they're like turbo. Wait, is there any? It says. I'll have to look them up. They sent it to me. But yeah, you're gonna. You can change the design of your car, make it look more sporty.
Wow. Wow, thank you.
I bet they just easy swap.
You think so?
Should be.
Well, we're gonna find out.
The other thing is super easy. Oh, this is totally changed the look of the car.
Whoa. What the? Look at me, I'm Princess Leia. It's my solar disc.
That was good.
Aw, that's cool. Thank you. Well, let's go ahead and snap it,
Yeah.
see how it works.
What is which?
Over here.
I don't know. What'd you do?
What do you mean, what did I do? I haven't been driving it. I don't remember that looking like that. Oh, you think it's just a snap?
It is just a snap.
Oh, you think it's just a snap for sure. But it doesn't have the T for Tesla. It's got...
It's got the EV for E.
doesn't even have an E. Oh! You're a strong man. Let's see how it works. Remember, there's a thingy there. Right here.
The little boy part?
The little boy part.
Is
it gonna fit? You don't want to use a hammer or something? Oh yeah, just your hand. That's okay. You don't need that hand anyway, right?
I do own a rubber mallet. I'm so okay.
What? Oh my gosh, let's do a comparison images. Let's do a comparison. Before and after. That's before and then that's after. That looks nice.
You go stand next to it.
Ooh, I still like that. Look at this. Wow. I feel so, I don't know, very advanced.
Very advanced.
Very advanced.
Turbine edition.
Yes. Wow, look at that. I wonder what it feels like when it's spinning around really fast.
That I don't know.
Yeah. So this is the original Tesla wheels, and then caps, right? This is caps. Yeah,
Wheel
these
covers.
are wheel covers, and then this is the other one. So if we spin it around, this is how it looks like, and this is Tesla. This is how it looks like. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Tesla be like, you guys be ruining our stuff.
It's personalized.
Personalized?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let me see.
Little air thingy.
I'm just gonna put this little foam here just to, you know, just in case. Okay. Oh boy. Upgrade.
It does change the look of the car. That's
Wow. Terrific.
Ooh, oh, yeah. On number 3.
Man, that sounded so aggressive.
I'm trying not to be too hard because it's plastic. I don't want to break one. You never know. You need
It's
to...
like so abrupt. You have a point.
Okay. And the last one. Oh, baby.
What is it? What is it?
These are little centers. Oh, they're stickers for the
Oh! Who can peel this the fastest? Ready? On your mark, get set, go. Oh, man. You're starting to drool.
Am I drooling? That's what Kainoa does. It's not supposed to be this hard.
It's just operating this thing. It's really, really hard.
Because I'm holding the tweezers. It is totally operation. Okay, let me see if I got the technique finally this time. Maybe you need a knife, but these tweezers are pretty sharp. Okay. So we're gonna force the blade in between the red and the gray.
Like an Oreo?
Oh!
Oh!
I got the technique that time.
Oh, very good, honey. You did good. I'm almost impressed.
Roll the window down. Can you roll the window down? Do you not know how to work your own car? Roll the window down. There's a little symbol on the thing that says a lock. Can you roll the window down? Can you hear me? There's a little symbol on the screen on the top. Next to the battery, there's a little lock symbol. Top, not top. Nope, above. More like you would consider the ribbon in Outlook. Up, left, up, left, up. I'm gonna say it. Stop. It's always on there. Do you know where the lock symbol is? Please roll down the window. Please roll down the window. Please roll down the window. Please roll down the... You're just gonna make me wait. Okay. Look for a little padlock at the top of the screen. It's not a hidden menu. It's always on top.
What is it?
Okay.
Where?
See this little lock symbol?
Oh, yeah.
Well,
It's
now
a lock.
It is now.
You were talking the whole time, but the window was up. I didn't know what you were saying.
Yeah.
I think it's so fancy. That's why I'm like a little nervous still.
It's got lots of fancy features. I like it.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. What is it saying? Oh, I gotta go drive. My gosh. All right. You get to see the sunset coming up, right?
Sunset's burning my eyes.
Isn't that beautiful? Okay. Where are we going?
Didn't we just take it for a drive around the block?
Okay, because I don't think I locked the door.
How fast you gotta go? Run, Forrest, run!
But I love this car. I love driving it. I do have a hard time parking it or getting out, backing up. It's a hard moment for me for the time being. For a minute. Other than that, going forward is always fun. Going fast, I don't even know when I'm going fast. I can't hear anything. You know, I just, yeah, I totally enjoy this car. It's super fun.
Yeah, I like these new little wheel covers
I
with the
do
little,
like it too,
little
yes.
turbine style. So
I do, I like it. I like it.
thank you
I
again.
like it. It's pretty. That's pretty.
So now you know how I feel every time we come here with the Porsche. I'm like, oh, where am I going to park my car?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
And there's lots of open spots over there.
As far as away,
just take that
away from the population, away from any cars.
I bet you if you park it in the middle there when we come back,
somebody will park next to me.
there'll be cars on both sides.
Right here.
And then every other spot that's empty will be empty.
Oh boy. Car people problem.